year from Puro, Shetty, and Noibe? How about the loudest cheer from Puro, 2, 3, and 4? Of course, di pwede magpalubig ang Puro 5 ang size. Okay. Our third place winner for the festival competition goes to Puro. Drum roll, please. Third place winner, congratulations, Puro. 2, 3, and 4! MC, kasama ko. Kung hindi ka want to give the award. MC, kasama mo lahat ng sa award. Congratulations, Puro 2, 3, and 4 for bagging the third place award. MC, please do the honor in presenting the award. Okay. So, isa man, later na, mag-award na, later na ang competition sa Festival Queen. Okay, now what is it na? Kung itaga ay o judging score. Anyway, sige. So, dapat tayo compete later on ang best festival queen. No? Ang dapat sa prize. Okay, requesting the representative sa third place winner, Puro 2, 3, and 4, to please claim your certificate, trophy, and of course, cash prize. Kung marami ng cash returns kapitán. Ow! Ito na ang pawik sa gasto. So congratulations Puro 2, 3, and 4 for bagging the third place award. Now this time, I will be announcing the grand champion. So, ang dili matawag automatically will be the second place. Mao'y una na itong tagaan sa awarding. Again, I will be announcing first the grand champion or the grand winner. And automatically, ang purok na dili na tawagon will be the second place winner. Mao'y muuna o ari sa center area para to receive your award. Andang naman ang tanan! The battle is between Puro Shetty and Noibe and Puro 5 ang sides. Kinsa kaha. Oh, Shetty and Noibe di ay. Shetty? 7 and 1. Puro Shetty and Ono Broning na Noibe. Puro Shetty and Ono. I stand corrected. Okay! The 2025 Festival Competition Grand Champion is inikawan nga ni Inaapay Festival kung galing mo, we still have the competition of the festival. Excited ka dyan ang duha ka polo, ang duha ka competition. Alright, di na nato alamanon, our grand champion of this year's festival competition. Congratulations, Polo! Polo Shetty and Noibe! And our second place winner goes to Polo 5 ang sides.
Wow! Congratulations to Puro Ono and Shetty! Congratulations to Purok Team Tulangkay for being the first placer of this Ayaw Panagosa Festival. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the champion, Purok Team between the festival queen. Congratulations, Purok, Seti, and Ono. You deserve it so much. Go enjoy. But wait, there is more. Competition requesting all the festival queens of all teams